When wearing a wig using gel or glue, do you encounter issues like gel residue? Sometimes YouTubers face the same challenges. In this video, I'll show you how to effectively solve these problems to achieve a natural, clean look. Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Hairvivi. We're gonna be looking at this beautiful unit right here. For all my girls who love a little blonde action, this unit's gonna be for you. So real quickly, in case this is your first time seeing a Hairvivi unit, let's go over the basics that should be expected with any Hairvivi unit you get. Your unit is going to come with a fake scalp. On the website, you will find the option to choose the scalp color that most will match your complexion. You're gonna get a 13 by 6 parting space, which means the lace is gonna go from ear to ear and it's gonna go 6 inches back. I think it might even be a little bit more than 6 inches now. I think they added like a little bit of extra space. There's the comb in the back with a adjustable elastic band. And there's also a removable adjustable elastic band. Let's go ahead and try the unit on. All the wigs will come pre-plucked with a natural bleach scalp. Remember, you have the fake scalp underneath. If the fake scalp is something that you do not want, it can easily be removed with the scissor. Let's go ahead and install this beauty. In case you're wondering what this unit looks like with no makeup, here you go. Before I begin, since this is a 100% glueless unit, it's only right that I show you what this unit looks like if worn glueless. So this is what it will look like straight out the box with no glue. So if you are a beginner, don't fret. You don't have to lay this down using any type of product. It can simply be worn without any glue. But I'm in the mood for melting my lace, so let me show you what it looks like if you do want to melt it using a little bit of product. Please be warned, this is gel, not glue. Hairvivi is one of the brands that fall into the premium category. However, their prices is not as expensive as some may think. For today's install, I'm going to be using the Wig Dealer gel. I've already mentioned some of the basics that Hairvivi wigs come with. In addition to customizing the fake scalp, you can also customize the color of your lace. The knots on their units are small and their wigs do come pre-plucked, so all of their units are beginner friendly and ready to install. Let's tie this down for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now it's time to cut the lace. As always, you want to cut in a zigzag motion. You might notice that there's some makeup caught underneath the lace. Don't worry, I'll show you how to quickly fix that. I adjusted my lace earlier when I was placing the unit, so I did get some makeup on underneath. You want to make sure and wipe that off. See, I went in and I wiped it off. You can see right here, it still has some on. So you want to make sure to wipe it off. You don't want any makeup to be underneath when you're, I don't want to say glue because this is not glue, but when you're melting the lace. Now for the little pieces that aren't laid down, I'm gonna spray some of this hairspray. Now this is Eben. We are still boycotting Eben, but I bought this previously. I'm just gonna use it until it's out. I'm gonna take this makeup brush and I'm gonna just dab it. I saw this other YouTuber do this and it makes so much more sense. It's a lot easier to control those little edges. So just blow dry this really quickly. You want to make sure that it is completely dry. I'm gonna apply this thin elastic band to the perimeter one more time. This time I'm only gonna leave it on for about 5 minutes just to make sure those edges are laid down, and then we can style it. Okay, let's start styling while we wait. I've already decided I'm going to do a side part today. So take the tip of the rat tail comb and make a C. How curved you make it is going to be based on personal preference. This is the perfect wig to do a side part. You can have more than enough parting space. If you want to go deeper, you can. I'm gonna go in and flatten the hair underneath to ensure that it's flat on top. Okay, now I'm gonna take this elastic band off because it's starting to give me a headache. And the proof is in the pudding. That extra time with the elastic band, I'm telling y'all, go back to these. If y'all not using this, go back to these. I have these linked in my bio for you to purchase, but go back to these. I don't know why I stopped using them. It really does make all the difference. Let's throw a couple of curls in it. From the time you open your Hairvivi package, it's clear to see the craftsmanship and the extra dedication they put into creating their units. From the ventilating of the lace to the quality of the lace to the customization of the lace while offering expanded parting space, they really deliver more bang for your buck. Okay, so let's take these curls out. I hope they're not curled too tight because that's not really what I was going for. I didn't even touch on the coloring process. Their units come with custom coloring. Their coloring is not the standard cut and paste that you find on some other brands. The coloring on their units will be equivalent to taking your unit to the salon. One thing I've learned is that price is relative and is really dependent on the person's budget. Hairvivi unit is a premium brand and it comes at a premium cost. Luxury hair comes at a cost and the people who appreciate quality understands that. I'm tempted to cut layers, but I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it alone. I probably shouldn't have pin curled it because then it wouldn't have been as tight. But anyway, dolls, this is the final look. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Okay, so although I laid it down using this gel, holding gel, of course, if in case you don't know, all Hairvivi units are glueless, so you can wear it glueless. I just wanted to get back to like laying my wigs because, you know, no matter how much you wear glueless, it's something about a melt with some adhesive that glueless just don't give. As I mentioned, this is a 13x6 unit. What's the length? I do not know the length of this unit. I will have it across the screen, but I am going to stand up so you guys could see where it stands on me. So dolls, as always, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I'm going to have everything linked in the description box down below. But before we get out of here, I'm going to need y'all help naming this beauty. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. Dolls, if you found this video helpful and you're not already part of the fam, go ahead and give it a like and hit that subscribe button before you leave. And while you're at it, why don't you check out these videos? You might enjoy them as well. As always, important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.